Okay, let's see that in the behavior of concrete continuation. So what is the cube strength of concrete and how the mixing has to be done? How do we check the compressive strength of the concrete? First is the hand mixing. So first we have to arrange the raw materials which is present at the local authorities, so that we should cement, sand and fine aggregate. All materials we have to kept it in one place. Okay, this 10, mix the cement and the fine aggregate on a watertight, non-absorbent platform. That means until that the mixture is thoroughly blended and it is of about uniform color, we have to obtain it. After that, the coarse aggregate has to be mixed with the cement and fine aggregate, the already mixed content. So you have to be obtain that uniform distributed throughout the batch. After mixing of cement, sand and aggregate, add water and mix it until that this concrete is to be appear as a homogeneous and of the desired consistency has to be obtained. See, the ratios of mixing, it depends upon the grade of the concrete which we are going to be used. See, once the mixing has been done, make sure that all cube molds has been make it ready and it has to be, the surface has to be cleaned. Then how the cleaning procedure will be happened? See, generally the mold size available of about 150 mm by 150 mm by 150 mm size. That means the length, breadth and height will be 150 mm in size. See, first clean the mold so that the dust, dirt, any the accumulations should be washed out, and apply the oil on the peripheral surface of the perimeter surface of the cube mold. Once the cleaning has been done, so lay the cube mold in a leveled platform. Fill the concrete, that is uniformly mixed concrete in the mold in a layer of about approximately of about in 5 centimeter thick. That means in 3 layers. So each layer, while pouring the concrete, you have to compact. So with the help of tamping rod, this tamping rod has a steel bar of 16 mm dia and of about 16 centimeter long, and it is a bullet pointed at the lower end. And with the help of this tamping rod, in each layer, tamp the concrete of about 35 times. In each layer, like that, we have to do the, in 3 layers of 35 times of strokes, we have to give to the concrete. Then the top surface, that level of top surface has to be smoothed with the help of the trowel. Once the leveling of the top surface has been done, keep it for the 24 hours in the mold itself. Once come to the next day, de-shutter the mold, that means remove the mold, take on the cube specimen and put it for the curing. Okay, once the curing has to be done like 7 days or else of about 28 days to check the compressive strength of the concrete. How the procedure will be? The procedure is that once you had to put a cube for the curing, after 7 days or after 28 days, take out from the curing tank and you have to leave it for 4 to 5 hours or else 1 day for the dryness of the cube mold. Once it has been dried, so take the sample for the laboratory for compressive testing machine. First is, before putting into the compressive testing machine, take the dimensions of the specimen and also their weight, record it in a measurement book. Then clean the bearing surface of the testing machine. Then place the specimen into the machine in such a manner that the load shall be applied to the opposite sides of the cube cast. Align the specimen centrally on the base plate of the machine. Then gradually apply the load. So without any shock, that means sudden load, and continuously at a rate of about 140 kg per centimeter square per minute till the specimen get fails. Record the maximum load and note any usual features in this type of failure. So this give the compressive strength of the particular grade of concrete of the structure. Generally, we will consider the 28 days of compressive strength of the concrete for achieving a required minimum strength and durability. Thank you.